welcome back to the 10th episode of It's a Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make one beautiful dessert, that is flourless chocolate cake, and we're going to reveal that dessert with the chocolate ball with some caramel chocolate sauce on the top. So first we start with the chocolate ball, how to make chocolate ball. So it takes time around 10 to 20 minutes to get shaped. So let's start with the chocolate ball first. So let's start with melting of chocolate for the chocolate ball. So hot pan on with boiling water and a bowl to melt the chocolate out. Put around 80 grams of chocolate, dark chocolate. So when chocolate starting melting, add around 60 grams of butter. So this is for our chocolate ball. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes to set it up in the fridge. Mix it up nicely. So when it's almost, so the chocolate for the ball is almost ready. So make sure you have that smoothness. Now let's pour the chocolate in the balls. Don't refill it up, just halfway through the first bowl. Same with the second. You need to be very careful while setting up the chocolate. So this will be in the fridge about 10 to 20 minutes for the chocolate to be set. So in the meantime, the chocolate ball is getting set up. So till then, so we'll start with the flourless chocolate cake, and we'll put it baking about for 20 minutes. So for that, let's start with the ingredients. So for the ingredients, you need is like 4 eggs, yolk and the egg white. You can separate it so that you have to use 2 bowls. So let's start with the eggs. Separate the egg yolk with the egg white. So now your egg white and the egg yolk is separated. So let's start with whisking up the egg white. Let's start to whisk the egg white first. Start whisking, gradually add some sugar, 2 tablespoons. White is almost ready with that. So this is gonna give that fluffiness to your cake. So it's a flourless chocolate cake, so we're just gonna use eggs, some chocolate, and that's all. We are not using any flour. So when it's come to like this, it's done. Okay, now let's start to mix the egg yolk. Half a tablespoon of vanilla syrup, just to keep that beautiful flavor. So we will finish up mixing up the egg yolk. So make sure you have the texture for the egg yolk, and then we add this chocolate ganache on the top that we have prepared before, like before. Add a touch of milk to your ganache, chocolate ganache, just to fold it over. Mix it nicely. Exciting part. very gently. Just pour out the ganache in. Make sure. Just from the top. Little by little. We want to cook the egg yolk. The ganache in, the egg yolk, the one you mixed just before. Nicely, gently. Put it in. Now, it's time to fold up the egg white with this mixture. Chocolate with the egg white that we made before. Slowly, little by little, not everything at the same time. Let's fold it over. So this is the base for your cake, Flourless chocolate cake. So you can pour out in the baking tray. So we cook around 170, around 20 to 25 minutes, around 170 degree temperature. So let's preheat the oven first. So I'm gonna pour out the chocolate nicely. Flourless chocolate cake ready to go in the oven. So now we're gonna make the chocolate cream filling for our cake. So for that, when chocolate starts melting, add around 90 grams of cream. Mix it up. So this is a mix of 90 grams of chocolate, touch of butter, and around 90 ml of cream, thickened cream. Let's mix it up. This is the base for our chocolate cream filling. So I'm just put it inside. It's almost ready. I'm turning off the heat. So let's make some chantilly cream, whipped cream. So I'm gonna make some whipped cream. So for that, take around 300 ml of thickened cream. Touch of vanilla syrup. Let's start mixing now. Sugar. It's ready. It's time to make the filling. So now mix up the chantilly whipped cream on your ganache mix. Mix it up nicely. Leave it in fridge just to cool down. We have a beautiful chocolate ball. So now we're making a beautiful layer for the chocolate topping. So let's start. For that we need like around 300 grams of like cocoa powder in. One tablespoon of sugar. Mix it up. 30 ml of water. And around 200 ml of cream, heavy cream. So we mix it up here and we're gonna cook on our boiler So this is the mix that we made before: cocoa powder, water, thickened cream, and we just cook in to the boiling water on the top like this to make that beautiful layer on the top for the chocolate cake. Just like so, it's almost ready. So what you do after that is just cool down in the fridge. So we're gonna make a gelatin paste. So cold water, 1 spoon of gelatin powder, 1 to 1.5. Mix it up nicely. Just pour it in nicely. So you're gonna start now chocolate caramel sauce. For that, take around 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. So let's caramelize the sugar first. So your chocolate caramel sauce is almost ready. So let's add some chocolate. Make it a good beautiful layer. Melted chocolate. Now this is a beautiful chocolate caramel sauce, just for the topping to break the ball of the chocolate. Make sure we serve it hot enough so that it breaks up the ball for the chocolate. So the cake is almost ready. So what you're going to do is just flip it over. Now your cake is ready. That's a Flourless chocolate cake. So it's time for starting or finishing up the cake. Nicely. That's a beautiful Flourless cake. I'm gonna make 2 layers. So I'm just gonna top it up with chocolate cream. Then after, I'm just gonna layer another layer up. Nicely. Now I'm just using the chocolate on the top. So this is how you make a beautiful, delicious Flourless chocolate cake. So let's give it a try. With the chocolate sauce, it's gonna be yum. So guys, this is a gluten-free chocolate cake. You can try this at home, enjoy with your family, relatives, and everyone. So next video will be on something special on next Monday. So till then, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week with new video. Thank you guys. Stay safe.